How to change email on your Ring app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change email on your Ring app. So to do that, first of all, open the Ring application on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Ring account. Now once you're logged in, you'll have to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the option account settings. Now once you've done that, you'll have to simply tap on the option email, which is right over here. Now once again, you will be redirected to this page where you'll have to simply tap on the update option, which is just right to your email address. After that, in order to change your email address, first of all, you'll have to verify your identity. So you'll have to enter your password over here and then tap on the option confirm. Now it'll send a 6-digit verification code to either your phone number or your authenticator app. So simply enter the 6-digit verification code and then tap on the option verify code. Now once you've done that, all you have to do to change your email address is simply enter a new email address and then confirm it by typing it again in the box below. So let me do that real quick. Now tap on the option change email. And now you'll have to verify your new email address. So simply tap on the option login. Now enter the new email address which you just entered and then enter your password and then tap on the option login. Now once again, you'll have to enter the 6-digit verification code. So copy and paste. Tap on the option verify. And now you'll have to verify your email address. So open your mail app. And now as you can see, this is the mail sent by Ring. Now tap on the option verify now. Then choose any web browser of your preference as it will redirect you to the browser. Now simply go back to your Ring app. Let's simply skip this process for now. And there you have it. So that is basically how you change your email address on your Ring app and log in using another email. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.